Concentration in Askin's eyes. Hardaway with a jumper. Well, it doesn't matter.
What's going on, Blacked Out Kicks family? YouTube, what's happening? Hey, we here with a throwback, and I am excited. I am excited to have these, and they're not even for me. But I am excited because I got them, and yo, this is nostalgia. I wasn't a huge phone posit head, but these right here, hands down, some of the coldest shoes, basketball shoes that you can find, if you can find them from back in the day. But I know y'all tired of me talking. I know y'all want me to get to the shoes. Should I get to them, man? Should I get to them? You see the orange box? Y'all see it? Y'all see the orange box and what's popping with it? Yo, this is a grade school pair. It's for my little man. It's a grade school pair, and these right here are some of the coldest. I'm glad they retroed and brought them back, because it's one of the shoes that started it all, and it just, man, just one of them shoes, man. It's just one of them shoes, man. And let's get into it. If y'all know like I know, bam, the Air Penny one, whatever. It's the Air Penny. You know what I'm saying? 1 cent, my guy. Yes. And, bam. Like I said, this is a GS pair, and I'm just excited that they brought these back, man. You know what I'm saying? It's so much to this shoe. The comfortability, the ease of the shoe to wear, man. You can put this on with anything and rock it, man. It's just a great shoe. Like I said, this is a grade school pair. I think back in the day, your smaller sizes and your bigger sizes resembled each other, and I think that's what you're gonna have here with these. That old school Orlando Magic look. I think you don't have a lot of glue on these, man. It's just they did these right. For this to be a GS pair. You can see where the mold, they took everything out the mold, but that's fine. This is, like I said, this is a GS pair. Size 4 and kids, boys. Like I said, this is a dope shoe, man. This is a dope shoe. If y'all get the opportunity to cop them. I think this is gonna be one the hood gonna love. So I would suggest y'all go cop them if y'all can cop them. The original date for adults got pushed back, but like I said, for GS sizes, they are out there, and yeah. If y'all can get them. I know the resale on StockX and GOAT, they going for that bag. But hey, you know, shoes like this don't retro all the time. We ain't seen these in a minute. Look at the bottom on that, man. It's the nostalgia behind this, man. Makes you really want to go back and just watch Penny Hardaway highlights, man. He was cold with it. But yeah, do me a favor, hit that like. Make sure you subscribe, and hey, do me a favor, man. Stay blessed, be blessed, and always, no matter what, find a way to get your blessings. Yo, this your boy Blacked Out Kicks, and we out.